My people, another news don't come out. So this popular TikToker, e boyfriend just take her life. Don't announce vex say they bring this news come, all those news come, because na wetin this channel dey about. Because I receive one a comment when he tell me, say nobody want listen to negativity. My brother or my sister, you, when you write that comment, now wetin this channel dey about, okay? News, anything when I see, I go bring am out, okay? As this TikToker, now if you dey TikTok, you know this girl, this popular TikToker. Now boyfriend just kpai her life now. This boy wey una dey see for here with her picture, now just take her life. This boy, they do 419 online. They do all those yahoo yahoo to catch people online. Now they do. Okay, as they say, he one person one pay, and he can't ask this TikToker, this Nigeria TikToker girl, say make she bring her account. Now the girl can't give the guy account.